2 people, 1 stock take, and half the time. The reason shops avoid splitting account is that the result becomes anonymous. 1 stock take, scope to the whole shop. Nobody gets their own copy. That is the point. 2 copies is 2 truths. Everyone counts into the same session from their own login. Aylin signs in. Her own account, her own phone. She takes the coffee and tea and every line she counts is stamped with her name as she saves it. Two lines done. She does not need the rest of the admin. Counting is all she has. Now Deniz, at the other end of the shop. Different login, same stock take. Nothing is merged afterwards because nothing was ever separate. Four lines, 2 people, 1 count. Back to the manager. And here is what the split cost you in traceability. Nothing. A by column with a name against every line. Aylin's 2, Deniz's 2. The history is the same story in more detail. Every count and recount with who made it, when, and the quantity before and after. If a number is ever questioned, this is the answer. That is what makes splitting accounts safe rather than merely convenient. Apply it once from one place. And the shop carries the result, 44. Counters with attribution are pro. Stocktake for WooCommerce itself is free on WordPress.org.